Welcome to video number 143 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. As I've always been recommending, as learners of a new language, you should include several different aspects into your learning, and hence we are going to see some phrases through which you can learn some vocabularies. When you strongly do not want someone to do something because it causes you frustration, irritation, anxiety, you may use phrases like, "Oh, just please don't do that." "For heaven's sake, drive slowly." "For crying out loud, give it to me." "Hell, damn." There are so many ways to say that. We are going to see not many, but just two commonly used words in Tamil to convey the same mood. Verb plus தொலைக்க or verb and வைக்க. தொலைக்க means to lose and வைக்க means to keep, place. But it combines with different verbs to bring out the mood that we are talking about just now. தொலைக்காத is more severe in intensity than வைக்காத. That is for you to note. Just quickly, for those of you here to visit this channel for the first time, there are several videos for grammar, movie conversation, simple dialogues, and you can watch them all if you click above there. Or you find it in the information in the description. And you could follow Instagram and Facebook where you'll get a completely different kind of learning experience. Please find the information in the description. Just do not at all tell him, for heaven's sake. அவர்கிட்ட எதுவும் சொல்லி கிள்ளி தொலைக்காத. Or, for crying out loud, please do not tell him. அவர்கிட்ட எதுவும் சொல்லி கிள்ளி வைக்காத. The intensity of the mood can be conveyed only by your tone. Imagine the mother and the daughter has some secret plans and she doesn't want her husband to know. Maybe they are planning to buy some jewelry and her husband doesn't like it, and hence she's telling to her daughter because the daughter cannot keep secrets. Just do not at all tell him, for heaven's sake. அவர்கிட்ட ஏதோ சொல்லி கிள்ளி தொலைக்காத. For crying out loud, please do not tell him. அவர்கிட்ட ஏதோ சொல்லி கிள்ளி வைக்காத. Or you can also tell that in a soft, requesting voice, just you're tired and sick that she's not good with maintaining secrets. Or just do not at all tell him, for heaven's sake. அவர்கிட்ட ஏதோ சொல்லி கிள்ளி தொலைக்காத. For crying out loud, please do not tell him. அவர்கிட்ட ஏதோ சொல்லி கிள்ளி வைக்காத. Now what is சொல்லி கிள்ளி? It is enough you can say சொல்லி அவர்கிட்ட ஏதோ சொல்லி தொலைக்காத. But that twin rhyming style is used to add effect that you can do for any words. We can see that as a separate lesson later, but it's just another small nuance for you to take note of already. Oh, what to do? She has noticed it. என்ன பண்ணுறது, அவங்க பார்த்து தொலைச்சிட்டாங்க. Maybe they did some error in the important official reports, but their superior lady or manager in charge has noticed it, and hence they are anxious of what to do. Damn, she has noticed it. என்ன பண்ணுறது, அவங்க பார்த்து தொலைச்சிட்டாங்க. I'm sure you are now getting to understand it better. Now let us see the next example. The opposite of it. Okay, damn, just do it. You know, in any case, someone is not going to listen and continue with whatever they're doing, you would say, okay, do whatever you want. We also say, suit yourself or yourselves if more than one person. சரி எதையாவது பண்ணி தொலை or சரி எதையாவது பண்ணி or செஞ்சு தொலைங்க. You do not really want to carry on with the headache. It can be used for the boy who is stubborn or for those set of workers who are insistent. Let him damn go anywhere. எங்கேயாவது போய் தொலைறான். This is like let him get lost. I don't care. Imagine these generation guys tell their dad that they want to pursue with some blah blah passion and the dad angrily says, let him get lost. Let him damn bloody go anywhere. எங்கேயாவது போய் தொலைறான். This is more like the subjunctive style of phrasing, which is also something we shall see later. That is all now, dear Tamil learners. For short, interesting videos, you can log into Instagram and FB for short explanation of words once in a while. I'll keep doing it as and when I find time. All the best. Please subscribe and let know of this channel to other Tamil learners. Let us grow into a small Tamil speaking community of people. My best and warmest wishes to you all. Vanakkam.